Wake up! It's time to clean the PS4. The fourth installment in my Cleaning PlayStation series. If you're bad at counting, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it, 4 installments. At this point, the cleaning steps should already be ingrained in your head if you're a watcher of my channel, but just in case you're not, you get the feather duster and start dusting. You get the top, the sides, and the bottom of the console like usual. Hey, wake up, buddy. Stop dusting and start spraying with your can of compressed air, of course. Get around the tough areas. The front, the back, and the bottom of the PS4 are nice places to start. And last, but certainly not least, the hand towel. This is to get rid of any dust the feather duster might have missed. If you have dampened it, obviously don't bring it near any of the ports on the front or the back of the console. If you didn't dampen it, go ham. And now you've got yourself a shiny, squeaky clean, good as new PS4. Just make sure to clear your browsing history. That's really about it. See ya.